Hi guys, it's Simon from Cyber Sushi Design and we're back with another product review, and today I'm really excited to take a look at the new speaker from neocore. Okay, now let me give you a little bit of background as to why I'm quite so excited. The P3, their previous speaker, I'm not going to lie, it was my favourite speaker of 2017. We get sent a lot of Bluetooth speakers and it was absolutely fantastic. Unbelievable battery life, and also the fact that it had a micro SD card slot. So when the guys got in contact and said, hey, we've got a new speaker, can we send it over? I was pretty excited. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox, run through the specs, and then we'll do a little sound test as well. And let's jump right in and have a look at this brand new speaker from neocore. Okay, so from this we can see the contents of the box, and straight away we can see that it comes with the kind of standard things that you would expect from a Bluetooth speaker. They've given you a micro USB charging cable. You've got a 3.5 auxiliary cable. What I will say is that it looks like a much better length than most of the cables that you get with speakers, or we've had in the past. So it looks like quite a nice long one. That's great. You've got a little clip here, which I believe, having seen the photos online, that's to clip onto the speaker itself, so you can attach it to a rucksack or anything else that you may want to clip the speaker to. And then we have the speaker itself. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Oh, okay, this is nice. Yeah, this is really robust. You can see there on the bottom you've got the little kind of rubbery feet as well, which is a nice little feature. So if you have got it on a surface, that's not going to go anywhere. And it's a kind of, how can I explain it? It's like a rubbery plasticky finish. It's not like a solid plastic. It has got that sort of textured feel, which is nice. With your controls across the top, your power, your Bluetooth connection, also doubles as a phone connection or answer call button by the looks of it, and you've got your volume up and down, and a LED there just to show power. That's really nice. Metal grille on the front, I like that design. It's slightly chunkier than the P3, but from what I've read again online with the product description, I think we're going to get a lot more bass out of this model. Running through the specification, we've got dual drivers on the front and a passive subwoofer on the rear. Not that I'm sure which is the front and the rear, because obviously they are the same grills, but that's fantastic. What else can we tell you about this speaker then? Okay, so starting at the top with the feature that a lot of people are going to be really interested in, battery life. Okay, so you're going to get 24 hours battery life, which I still am absolutely staggered with the P3, how they managed to get that sort of battery life out compared to other speakers that were reviewed at sort of 12 hours. That's awesome, and that's from a 3-hour charge. So we've charged this one up already. I'll be honest, we did pop the box open. I had to have a sneak peek, so that's all fully charged and ready to go. So we can show you a little demonstration after we've run through the specifications. All right. Bluetooth 4.2, pretty standard again. Going to give you a 10-meter range. You've also, as well as the Bluetooth connection, you should have a line in somewhere for this cable over here. Looks like it's hidden behind this little, yeah, there we go. So in there you can see we've got a number of things. We've got the charging micro USB port, we've got auxiliary in 3.5, and my absolute favorite, and the reason that the P3 for me was such a hit, as well as the battery life, is it takes a micro SD card. Okay, now that for me is a complete game changer when it comes to a speaker, because I use speakers at family parties, in the garden, maybe having a barbecue. And what used to happen with speakers that I had in the past was I'd connect up my phone, we'd have some nice tunes going. You walk inside to the house to get something for the barbecue and you get out of range, it cuts off. So what I do now is I load up a micro SD card, pop that in there, and it's completely standalone, so it doesn't need your phone at all with the Bluetooth or the cable. It just plays the MP3s directly off of the micro SD card, and that is an absolute brilliant feature. Like, I can't believe it hasn't been done sooner, to be honest, but obviously the technology wasn't there in the past. But yeah, that's the main reason I absolutely love this speaker, is the micro SD slot. Okay, it was in the P3 and it's now in the A1, and I did speak to the guys and they've said that it's not a replacement for the P3, it is a completely standalone new product. Okay, so the P3 won't be disappearing, but yeah, check out the A1. Okay, so we've spoken about the feature that the speaker has with the speakerphone. It's actually got a built-in microphone, so if you do have a call you can obviously answer it, and yeah, speakerphone functionality. Okay, we've spoken about the speakerphone functionality button on the top. So yeah, the speaker does have a built-in microphone, which is great, and that means that if you do get a call you can answer it and obviously use the speaker to speak to the person that's on the phone if your phone is connected up via Bluetooth. So that's a really nice feature. What else? Okay, it's IPX6 water resistant. Okay, so that means it's been officially rated as water resistant. That doesn't mean that you want to be dropping it in a swimming pool, but it does mean that splashes, rain, and that type of water contact is going to be absolutely no issue to this speaker at all. All right, so that's fantastic, especially if you are taking it somewhere camping, you know, things get wet, you're not going to have any issues with this speaker. Another reason we really like this product, apart from the fact that it's a UK company, is that it's got a 2-year warranty. Like, these guys believe in their product. You don't give a 2-year warranty on a product that, you know, might be a bit shabby, might have issues with. These guys know that it's a premium product. They've got no problem offering a 2-year warranty, and yeah, we absolutely love that. Okay, so that's what's in the box. That's the specifications. Let's have a little sound test.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Send me.
Okay, so there was just a little sample of the music from the neocore A1. I think you'll agree it sounded absolutely fantastic, and yeah, slightly more bass than the P3, so I'm really impressed with that, and I don't mind the slight size increase to get the better sound and the better bass, to be honest. I think it sounds absolutely brilliant. I had a couple of people asking on the YouTube channel the size compared to the P3, so here's the A1 and the P3 next to each other. Okay, so as you can see, only slightly different in size because obviously one is longer and one is fatter. But yeah, absolutely fantastic, both of those speakers. Thank you, a huge thank you to neocore for sending this over, and I think I found my new daily Bluetooth speaker.